The second derivative is x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square is equal to g dash minus 1, where what is our g? G is a ns upon f dash. So what we are getting from the first value we are considering as a g. Dash is denoted for the differentiation with respect to u. Let us take the example. Our GTU paper 2009 January, that is state Euler's theorem on the homogeneous function. Using it, show that x del u by del x plus y del u by del y is equal to sine 2u. Second, x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square is a 2 times sine u into cos 3u. If u is equal to tan inverse x square plus 2y square. Explain whether we can apply Euler's theorem for the function u is equal to f of xy, where f of xy is equal to x square plus y square plus 1 upon x plus y. So let us start with the solution. First of all, our question is state the Euler's theorem. So here our Euler's theorem is u is equal to f of xy is a homogeneous function of degree n. Then x del u by del x plus y del u by del y is equal to nu. Given u is equal to tan inverse x square plus 2y square. Here tan u is equal to x square plus 2y square is a phi of u. Say phi of u, then phi of u we can know that this is the homogeneous function of degree n, because we can take the x square common. We have 1 plus 2 y by x whole square. So with the degree 2 it is a homogeneous function. So we can apply here Euler's modified theorem that x del u by del x plus y del u by del y is equal to n f of u upon f dash u. So it's a tan u, and derivative of tan u is a sec square u. So simplification of that, we have a 2 sin u into cos u. So it is sine 2u. So we have a x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square is equal to h of u into h dash u minus 1. So is equal to sine u. The derivative of that is 2 cos 2u minus 1. So 2 sine u into cos u, and we know the formula of cos 2u is a 2 cos square u minus 1 minus 1. So simplifying this bracket, we have the answer 2 sine u into cos 3u. Now the another question we have also, that check whether the f of xy is homogeneous or not. So we are checking this. Here this is not our homogeneous function, because we can't take the x square or y square common here. So we can't apply the Euler's theorem here. So this is not our homogeneous function. This completes our question. Now the another question from the Jan 2013 from our latest paper, that u is equal to log of x cube minus x square y plus xy square minus y cube. Find x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square. Here we can apply the Euler's modified theorem, because the z is equal to f of u is equal to, we can write e raised to u is equal to x cube is common 1 minus y by x plus y by x whole square minus y by x whole cube. So here x cube is common and g of y by x. So z is a homogeneous function of the degree 3. So n is equal to 3 here. We can apply Euler's modified theorem. For that we are taking x del u by del x plus y del u by del y is n into f upon f dash is equal to 3 e raised to u upon e raised to u. The derivative of e raised to u is e raised to u. So this is a cancel out and we have an answer here 3. This is a mistake, we have a here 3 and that 3 is a g, right? So we are writing that is g x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square is equal to g dash minus 1. So g is a 3, g dash is a 0 into minus 1. We have our answer is a minus 3. Let us see another example, that is June 2012, November December 2010 paper from our GTU, that if u is equal to tan inverse x cube plus y cube upon x minus y, show that x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square is equal to 2 sin u into cos 3u. The solution is tan u is equal to, we can take x cube plus y cube, take x cube common on the upper side and from the denominator take x is common. So 1 plus y cube upon x cube and in upon x is common 1 minus y by x. So we have a here x square. Therefore tan u is a homogeneous function of degree 2. Now the Euler's theorem we can apply, x del tan u by del x y del tan u by del y is equal to 2 tan u. This is an f of u we have. So simplifying this, we have an answer that x del u by del x plus y del u by del y is equal to sin 2u is equal to our g of u. We have the second derivative having x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square is equal to g into g dash minus 1. So sin 2u into 2 cos 2u minus 1. So multiplying this, we have 2 sin 2u into cos 2u minus sin 2u. So this is the sin 4u minus sin 2u. We know the formula of s minus s is sin 2 cos 3u into sin u. So we have this type of the question. Now the another example, that is if u is equal to sin inverse x raised to 1 by 4 plus y raised to 1 by 4 upon x raised to 1 by 6 plus y raised to 1 by 6, then prove that x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square into del square u by del y square is a 1 upon 144 10u into 10 square u minus 11. So we have this solution that u is equal to this. We can write f is equal to f of u, that is our sin u is equal to x raised to 1 by 4 plus y raised to 1 by 4 upon x raised to 1 by 6 plus y raised to 1 by 6. So f is equal to, we can take y raised to 1 by 4 common. So x raised to 1 by 4 upon y raised to 1 by 4 plus 1 and upon y raised to 1 by 6 into x raised to 1 by 6 upon y raised to 1 by 6 plus 1. It's a homogeneous function of degree n is equal to 1 by 12. So by Euler's modified theorem, we have that x del u by del x plus y del u by del y is a n f upon f dash. So that is n is a 1 by 12, f is a sin u, the derivative is cos u, so sin upon cos is a tan u, that is our g. So x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square is equal to g into g dash minus 1. So 1 upon 12 tan u into 1 upon 12 sec square u minus 1. So that we have a 1 upon 12 tan u into 1 upon 12. That sec square u is a 1 plus tan square u minus 1. So it's a 1 upon 144 tan u into tan square u minus 11. So we can solve this type of the questions. So we here see major topic of our partial derivative. The major portion is the simple examples of the partial derivative, the chain rule and Euler's theorem on the homogeneous function. So we already seen here lots of example from our papers and which frequently asked in our GTU paper. So this is very useful for the student also. So I am very thankful to our GTU committee who is organizing this active learning lecture. I am also thankful to my principal and HOD of my college to giving the opportunity to giving the lecture here, and I am very thankful to my family and husband for supporting me for this lecture. Thank you very much.